girl Claire, and I am back with another hair video featuring Dola hair. So Dola hair sent you a few gifts like this, a makeup bag that's super cute, or whatever you want to put in that bag. They also gave me a mirror, a compact mirror slash brush, which is perfect for your bag. And then this one right here had your girl super hype. It is a edges brush with a metal pointy thingy, which is like perfect to lay them edges. I love it. And then of course it comes with a little small pamphlet that gives you details about the hair, the wig, and blah 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 blah. And then they provided you with a wig cap. You cannot go wrong with a wig cap. So this is the hair. I love this little cute bag because I'm definitely going to use it as storage. The hair that I got is the fake Scalp wig. It is absolutely beautiful. The hair length is 20 inches and the hair density is 150. And the texture of this hair is a wavy texture. So there goes the fake Scalp, guys. It is amazing. This wig has, I believe, 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle of the dome, and then another one on the bottom. And it also comes with a headband. So of course you want to brush out that hair and put some foundation on the lace part. You do not have to put it on the fake Scalp part, just on the lace part if you want to, because this hair came bleached and pre-plucked. I barely had to do anything to this hair. So here I am just applying it to my head, you know, checking it out, seeing how it looks, clipping it. And then I'm going to work on the edges. So I like to take a headband and push it back. The camera is a little blurry, but in a few seconds it will be unblurred. I also have a discount code, guys, so make sure you check out my description box because I have a 12% discount code in the description box, including all of the links to this hair and the company. You know what's happening right here? I'm spraying that Got To Be glue hairspray, not Gorilla Glue. The Got To Be glue hairspray to my edges, and then I'm gonna take a silk tie that I got from another company, and I'm gonna use that to tie my edges and just leave it on for a little bit while I cut the hair and style the hair and all that good stuff. The hair is really pretty, and I didn't even wash it. See, now it's nice and clear, so I'm happy. It is what it is. But the hair is really pretty. I didn't wash it. I didn't do any of that fancy stuff. I just took it out the box, brushed it, and now I am cutting off some of the ends to kind of even out the hair. So shipping was amazing. The hair came in like less than a week. I don't even remember. It just came so fast. I was really impressed with that. And I'm just going to cut the hair in an angle. I never want to cut hair straight because then it'll be too blunt. I mean, not never, because I do like me a blunt cut. But for this particular look, I would like there to be layers. So that's why I'm cutting in angles, holding the scissors down. Now, you know, I'm not a professional, but baby, your girl is good, okay? And I do not need to go to no hair salon or nothing like that. Because honestly, if I see something done once, maybe twice, I know how to do it for myself, okay? Which is why I've also been doing my own nails. But that's for another video. If you want to see a nail tutorial, let me know. I've been using polygel, guys, and you know, leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle and if you would like to see me do a polygel nail tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, the haircut is coming together. It is beautiful. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this wig is 20 inches and I just cut it a little bit more and I'm in love, y'all. Like, and I'm not gonna do a particular deep part. I'm just gonna do like the little flip over method and not have any particular parts. Like, I love it. So this is some hair wax. It's really expensive. I think I paid like $24. And I don't even remember the name of this thing. But it was behind the glass. And she had to go get a key, okay? To get that bad boy out. And it's not even all that. It's greasy, okay? But anyways, I'm using a hot comb right there just to really flatten out the hairline. And now I'm going to take off the ribbon, and baby, we did that. You know, it's looking a little stiff, but it's gonna come together. You just wait and see. So I'm gonna cut the lace now, which I really like the lace of this company. However, I kind of messed up with the sides. I cut it too far back. Like, I feel like I should have pulled the wig further on my forehead and then cut the lace in the front off. But because I'm new to this, I didn't do that. So the edges are a little bit far back, but I had enough space in the wig to pull it forward. I don't know why I didn't do that, but I will do it on my next wig. You see how you can see my natural hairline? I didn't have to do that. I just should have pulled the wig closer and then cut the front of the lace, like cut right there in the temple. I should have just cut that, because you see, if I would have pulled the lace further down, then that front part would have been too close to my eyebrows, and you know, that's weird. But I should have just been bold and cut that off. But whatever, it is what it is, and I can actually still do that. So yeah. So now I'm pulling out some edges, guys. And as you can see, I do not need to do a lot of work on, and I have not plugged it or anything yet, okay? This is all their wig. And the white stuff you see is just from the hairspray. So I'm just pulling out some edges, and I'm going to plug some more, because you know, you want it to look natural. You don't want no thick, crazy looking hairline. So I'm just gonna plug. And this is actually like really satisfying to me. Like, I really felt like this wig is bomb, and I should have done a better job with the edges, but you know, I still got time. So now I am just cutting those baby hairs very short. You don't want it to be long at all. I have fallen back in love with Got to Be glue hairspray. Yeah, I like it way better than the actual gel. I prefer the hairspray. Anyways, I sprayed some of that on my edges brush, and then I'm just going to lay my baby hairs. You know what I'm saying? This hairspray really lays the baby hairs really well. Like, look how perfect the front of that lace is. I just messed up the sides, but it's all good. So I'm taking a heat protectant, which also has some shine, and I'm just spraying that on the hair, because I'm gonna add a few curls to this hair, but not too much, because I want to keep this hair big and natural, but I also want to define some of the curl. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna take my curling wand that I had for years, y'all. This curling wand is still popping, and I'm just gonna curl a few curls. And then, of course, you want to spray it down, because you want to keep those curls. Like, boom, look at the shine on this hair. I'm in love, y'all. And I also decided to curl the other side, of course. You know, I focus more of the curls in the front of the hair, and then I'm also going to loosen them up so it blends in with the natural curl pattern of this hair. And it came out really pretty, y'all. Like, I'm feeling this. Of course, I wish I had done the sides better, but it's okay. We'll do it next time. So don't make the same mistake I did, y'all. And now it's time to take the scarf off and see what we're working with. And baby, let me tell you, and I don't even like edges like this, but whoo, it look good. Mine is the size. Anyway, so this is the following day. I actually slept with this wig, which is not something I normally do, but whatever. I decided to sleep with it. It wasn't bad. And I wanted to show you guys the fake sculpt, y'all. Like, you don't see any knots. It just looks like sculpt. And the white stuff you see is just going to be, you know, from my hair products that I sprayed in there. Add a little bit of water, baby, and it's brand new. But look at the sculpt. Ugh. Like, I don't even feel like I want a wig that doesn't come with this fake sculpt thing, because it just looks really good. Stop playing with me. Oh yeah, Dola here. I want to say a big thank you. And if you ever want to work with me again, you know my email, you know where to find me. Anyways, guys, I will see you all in my next video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and baby, I will see you all next time. Love you guys. Bye.